how to install the Fortinet images, Fortinet Firewall in EVNG. Okay. Basically, this is my download link on which you can download the FortiGate Firewall. Okay. Let's open the EVNG. So this is EVNG. Let me turn on the lab. So once you open the EVNG, the login will appear. So provide the username and password, login and password. After enter, it will provide you an IP address to open your lab like 192.168.92.128. So let us provide the username admin and password. Okay, dear. So this is my lab in which I just want to add any node. So you can see that I don't have any FortiGate firewall device in my lab. So let's add the FortiGate firewall. So to add the FortiGate firewall, you have to install a software WinSCP. Okay. So here I got it. You have to log in by providing the username and you have to log in EVE. It will take some time to log in. So root is the directory on which you will find. This is the basic directory on which the labs will be installed. Hey dear, so I already have downloaded the file for the FortiGate image. This is my Fortinet image that I downloaded from the unit lab. Okay. So let's go to WinSCP to the and you have to go to directory. This is my directory on which I have uploaded the images. So this is the image for the FortiGate firewall. First of all, you have to go to root. Okay. In the root folder, you have to click on OPT. In OPT, click on Unit Lab, then Add-ons. In add-ons, you have to go to QEMU. We already have some images over here. So let's create one more folder directory over here. Okay. New directory. So let's provide the folder name. Okay. Set permissions, allow all the permissions here. Press OK. Okay. Here we got a folder. So we got a directory over here. Let's open this directory. You have to copy this file and paste this file in the directory that we have created. Okay. And press OK. So it will take some seconds to copy this file. So dear, during the installation, you must remember that the folder name you're creating must be as per the guidance of EVENG. So on EVENG, the file name must be started from small f o r t i n e t dash gt, and this is optional. Okay. Will your EVNG automatically detect this name? After that, this is not necessary. Okay, so correct name must be starting from small f. Okay, uh, if there will be issue in the name, your files will not work. Okay, so let's go to our lab now. Okay, and when I will click on add an object node. So here we got the FortiGate lab image. Okay. So you have to click on save. So here I got the FortiGate image. Okay. So here we got the image for the Fortinet. Our FortiGate firewall is ready. Now let's discuss how we can access this firewall. So right click over here, click on network, click over management cloud, click OK. Okay. So connect this management cloud with the FortiGate firewall on port number 1. Okay, now it's connecting. Right click on the firewall, click on start. So it will be started within a few seconds. Okay, now just double click over the firewall. Here, a pop up will appear. So, first of all, we have to log in into the firewall. So, just wait for a few seconds. Here we got the login for the firewall. So let me tell you clearly that you have to put here admin as the username, admin, and there is no password by default in the firewall. Okay, so let's put admin. Okay, when it will ask password, you have to press enter and provide a new password. So let me provide a password and admin over here and admin. Okay, dear. So follow to so your FortiGate now your FortiGate firewall is ready to work. Okay. Now we have to take the GUI access of the firewall. So, dear, how to find the IP address of a FortiGate firewall device? So, you have to put a command diagnose IP address list and press enter. So, here I got the IP address of port number 1. 192.168.92.131. Let's put this 192.168.92.131. So here I will got the GUI access for the FortiGate firewall